Welcome back to my channel. We're back at Nikola. I shot this yesterday, which was the 6th of February. I wanted to come there during a work day. There were a lot of vehicles there. There might have been more the last time I shot this during a weekday, which would have been in December if you want to refer back to that. Some of the trucks have been changed a little bit, but let's kind of go over the stock. Right now, Nikola is trading at 0.4777 cents per share. And year to date, it's down 59.85%. Not good. But they have the trucks neatly in a row. Keep in mind that I was only here for, I was there for about 20 minutes, but I only have a couple minutes of video to show you. There was no activity outside. I did not see one soul. No trucks driving, nothing on the track. Most of the trucks, even though I'm not showing it, were in the pits that they have up there where they maybe take the really disabled trucks. Most of them were gone. I took a couple stills for some people that want to start counting the trucks. And these are it right here. So I'm quite disappointed in the share price of the Nikola, but there's nothing I personally can do about it. But I regret that the company is not doing better. There's a lot of rumors that it's going to go bankrupt by the end of the first quarter, which I'll keep an eye on it, because next month I'll shoot it again and see if there's any changes. But what really surprised me is no activity. But look at these trucks right here. You can see they all have battery packs in them, which is a good sign. And since they have battery packs, why aren't they at people's facilities? All these trucks have battery packs in them, which means they're operational. I don't get that. But anyway, we're going to kind of go over I wanted to come in kind of close to where they dispose their batteries. And it's right here. This is the very back of the facility, the east side of the facility. I wanted to come in closer since nobody was there. I'm disappointed. I really want Nikola to succeed. But the share price is, boy, it's really, really down. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later.